In this video, I'm going to show you how to fund bet account with Palmpay. So I'm going to walk you through the different options and different betting that Palmpay actually support. So once you open your Palmpay app, right, as you can see betting fund. You can see there are a lot of features right there. Just click on betting fund right here. So once you click on betting fund, then right here you're gonna see different betting platform. So once you click on this drop down, you're gonna see you're gonna see this page right here. Click on betting fund, then you can see this drop down. So you can see bet Ninja, you can see Sportybet, Bet King, 1xBet. You can see there are a lot of betting platforms right here. Mary Bet, Ninja Bet, Bet Bigger, Debbie Lotto, Bet Farm. You can see, just select the best one you want to fund, then provide your Sportybet phone number right here. Then down here you can select the amount you want to fund your bet account. So just select the best one, maybe 1,000 naira, 100 naira, 500, 5,000, 10,000, 2,000. Then you can, once you select that, you can then click on pay right here. So once you click on pay, they're gonna charge the money from your Palmpay account balance. So that is how you can fund your bet account on Palmpay.